Morning, YouTube family. Happy Easter.
The Easter Bunny came. The boys are just waking up. It's a little bit of a rainy day, but still, it's like spring. It's so nice.
Let's get the boys.
Let's go. Okay.
I'll have to look outside for some bunny prints.
Happy Easter.
Oh, cool.
What do you have in your little pile here? Pokemon cards?
Lego sets.
Lego sets. Dude, I think that must be your side because this has Reese's everything.
Yes.
Chase has. You have Kit Kats and sour cream and onion Pringles that are your favorite. What do you got?
And a soda. And that's
What?
Chase's starter and Marcus.
Oh, that's so fun. What's this guy?
Totodile.
Oh, Totodile. Yeah, I need that. Oh, look at your little set. This one has a duck.
He's cute,
Little
Jason.
spring animals.
Chicken.
Oh, it's a chicken? It looks like a duck.
It's this creeper.
Ooh, you got a mini basketball day.
What is this creeper?
You can shoot some hoops later. It's cool. And
got
look,
one
look at this little spring set with the squirrels. Giant with chocolate. I think I can see some eggs in my sink. Easter Bunny.
Oh yeah, the Easter Bunny has
Eggs
some
in my
eggs.
sink?
This is Reese's Easter egg.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
What do you see there? Kinder egg things? Oh, you can eat it?
There's 4 of them.
Nothing better than a chocolate breakfast on Easter.
Happy Easter, guys.
I'll get you a little basket. You can search for all your eggs.
Wait, how did he manage to do this?
I don't know. When you find them all so that you make sure the dogs don't find them. Oh,
Just notice how there's a duck out
do you
there.
need those ones down?
After all, I could do that.
Ooh, there's treasures in there. There's treasures. Jay, they're everywhere. They're in my little cabinet. What? Look, put them in your box. Guess we'll share them later. There's so many. Jay, they're down there. They're all down there and in my sink.
Easter Bunny never
Oh, and in my
fails.
Jay, Kit Kat one.
Inside, JC.
I'm trying to kick it.
Was the Reese's one good?
Yeah, they're really good.
What's a cat one taste like?
No.
Reaction video.
You gonna do that side?
Let's see it.
Chase or Dayton just
Harder. You're too hard to break.
Dayton just discovered a whole other area of eggs. You found another Easter thing?
I know there's also another one.
Yeah. Look.
There's so many
Too
of
hard
these.
to chomp. Obviously, the Easter Bunny used
Easter
the
Bunny.
new cupboards.
Jay,
Everyone's
Get
still
more. there's
asleep.
Reese's ones everywhere.
You gotta see what's in
Reese's
these.
jackpot.
You gotta see what's in these.
Well, be careful when you open it. They don't fly everywhere. I can hear them shaking around in there.
It's a twist one. No, she pull them.
Ooh, what's in it?
Oh, it is a twist one.
Oh, those are the little Whopper one or wafer ones. Oh, are they good? I'm gonna steal one. Oh, those are so good. Babe, there's literally eggs everywhere. I'm gonna
Oh,
be
yeah.
looking all day.
We'll find them and everything. Did you guys open those drawers?
No.
Look at all these eggs. Everywhere.
Is there eggs in there? No.
Yep.
There is? Oh my gosh.
There's so many. Oh, Dad, here's more. I'll leave some clothes for you. Look at you, so many.
Yeah.
That's my first ever shiny.
Yeah.
What?
That's sick.
Perfect.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
Most of the
Well,
time for
she just
you,
catches.
you throw a milk in and you catch it
It's
first
not even
time.
like a great one. It's just a good football. It's fine.
If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer.
This is the most valuable card you can get in this whole set, for sure. Dad, I think I just got the most valuable card you can get in this whole set.
No, what? Oh, yo! Yo, what? He's shaking, putting it in. He's shaking.
Wait, that's this.
That
It's
is.
literally this, but rainbow.
He got a rainbow Charizard. V-Star. Yeah.
It's a VMAX Rainbow Charizard.
No, we gotta search how much this
Okay,
worth.
Mom will go look it up. Okay, what number is it? 174 over 172.
Twice in a row.
$600?
American.
Wait,
US
wait,
dollars.
what? Wait.
Guess what time it is? Oh, Finn heard me. She knows what's up. Turkey time. Your job is ready for you. You want to get the stuff out of this side of the turkey? It's Dayton's favorite part, getting the stuffing in the bird.
I don't know for this.
I've delegated it your job though, so now it's your favorite thing to do. Yeah, we're gonna
Yeah,
fill it
fill
right
it,
up, and
pack
we're gonna
it.
fill up the other end.
Because I want
also.
stuffing for tomorrow.
I want stuffing for like lunch, dinner, breakfast, next Monday.
I'm not sticking my hand in a turkey.
Yeah, what?
I think we need to watch the,
You know what?
like the little red hen where like if
He
you don't
doesn't eat it.
roll the dough
Yeah,
and
he
you don't-
doesn't eat
I
it.
know.
So he's good. He's good.
Oh, you want a tea towel?
Not yet.
And then we're gonna go wash in the other room in a minute, but let's get this all finished up first.
Good job though, Dad. That was amazing.
Okay, and we gotta you need to peel the potatoes and stuff, and we have carrots to cut. We have lots of more prep to do here, and then finish off this end because I want to put some in the other end. I know I could probably squish a little bit more in there, but. All right, let's get this bird in the oven. First big meal we're cooking in the new kitchen that's 90% done. Right? All right, ready to go in?
Yep.
Good job, muscles. Oh yeah. Okay, YouTube family, we are fighting the clock, trying to get everything de-sawdust and ready so we can actually enjoy our first meal as a family in our dining room, eat-in kitchen here. I know that we still have work to do, but we're at that part of the progress where we're like, we just want to eat our Easter dinner in this room. So I'm going to keep shop vacuuming. We just moved all the tools. Washer and dryer is now out of the kitchen, and I just kind of made like a small pile in the far corner here with the air compressor and a few things that we're going to be needing over the next couple of days rather than moving it all to the garage. And then we're going to get the table set up and ready. We have turkey in the oven. Veggies and stuff are just about to go on. It's been a really fun morning here, so I hope that you're having a fantastic Easter.
Leaves turning yellow. I'm back where we first met. It is raining, but all I can see is the summer we spent.
Okay, so it's so nice to finally have a second side of the kitchen. You can see I put down what you guys voted was our original Oops rug. I think it looks so nice in the kitchen. I'm still vacuuming up some of the sawdust, but just wanted to make sure that at least the table was ready. And then I'm just kind of finishing cleaning up this side from our Easter explosion and all of our cooking and everything. We have veggies on the stove, turkey is in the oven, and so the house smells absolutely delicious right now. But while I'm kind of waiting for the veggies to cook, I thought I would cut some material that I got to put in the bottom of the pantry. I'm not going to paint the inside that extra coat that it needs today just because I'm cooking in the kitchen, but just seeing it all come together, I want to start putting some things in it in the next couple of days and kind of get some of that storage that we've been keeping all of our kitchen supplies in the pantry room, but we're going to need to start kind of like working our way through. So I picked up this easy liner. A lot of our YouTube family suggested that I put a liner just for like easy wipe down in the kitchen. But I didn't really want to use the thin contact paper because I kind of like that they have this other option that's more of like a foam that you can wipe off with a cloth. You can do that with contact paper as well, but I thought this would be nice if I'm putting glassware down that you don't hear the sound or whatever in the cupboard if you use the contact paper. So I'm going to use this one that's sort of in the marble effect, kind of like our countertops. It's a little busier, but I think it'll do the trick. And I'm going to see if my Cricut cutter will cut it. I don't know if it will, but I have some scissors on backup. I just thought this would give me a nice straight cut if it will work. It's only a thin foam, so I'm thinking it should work. Okay, I thought I was going to need to kind of finesse it a little bit, but that was like the cleanest cut ever. Yay for the Cricut cutter. Okay, so now this is just what's on the back. So when you buy contact paper, you get that grid line on it, and this didn't have that. So I was like, I need to make sure I get it squared off. So I still need one more coat inside the cabinet, but I want to make sure that I can cut all these and have them fit. And I got enough to be able to do all the cupboards in the kitchen. And then I think this will work out pretty good here. Cute, right?
Yeah.
I think that'll look nice. Now, my cupboard is deeper than what this is, so I think I might cut that strip now that I know that the Cricut cutter can cut it really smooth and be able to do it so that I can put that back piece in. And then I'll just put a piece of painter's tape on the back to keep them together, because then you won't even see the seam in the back of the cabinet. Just because these are only 12 inches and my cupboard's a little deeper than that. But I think that will look really nice when everything's in there. So I have, I think, 5 rolls of them. Walmart had them on for half price. Normally they're almost $10 a roll, which normally I think that's pretty expensive to do a shelf liner for sure, but because they were on clearance, I was like, I'll get them now, make sure I get enough for the whole kitchen space. So that was pretty good. So I think this is gonna help me out just to keep it nice and clean. Can now wipe it out with a J-cloth or something, and it just looks cute when you open up the cupboard too.
We've been doing lots of cooking in the kitchen, and we decided to treat ourselves with some KitchenAid devices that we can use.
And these match our KitchenAid mixer, and they were discontinuing the color. So Dayton and I decided to treat ourselves and get some of the matching navy blue mixer sets. We have like the food processor, the emulsion blender, and then our little hand mixer, because sometimes you just want to grab a hand mixer. So Dayton's gonna try it out today for the first time, making our mashed potatoes.
So it's through the middle, so it cuts it up and
Great, turkey is done. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so good. That smells amazing. Everything's ready. I just have to make the gravy.
It literally looks perfect. You got the big leg?
yeah, I just grabbed the whole leg.
There's another leg if you guys want it.
No, I love it.
When you make your own turkey dinner, you call for dibs.
Yeah, you definitely get your
That's
pick of the
actually
meat.
what happened.
I did. This isn't very graceful here with my pot.
That's okay.
Everything's still packed. Where do you want